Okay, take two. Ready? Take two.
You are welcome to George Padmore Library. We've all read about George Padmore. We know who he is. I don't want to go back, but what happened is that he was invited by Dr. Kwame Nkrumah to come down, and then when Ghana had its independence, he wasn't the only person, because at that time Kwame Nkrumah knew him and he knew Kwame Nkrumah already. He was one of the advisors of Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, like W.E. Du Bois, who is a mentor to Dr. Kwame Nkrumah. So therefore they decided to come and help in emancipation of African freedom. And then also to write Encyclopedia Africa. We have Encyclopedia Britannia, we have Encyclopedia America. Why not Africa? So they decided, all of them, to come and then help. And then almost all of them died here or passed on in Ghana. There's a place that was given to them, was given to him to stay. W.E. Du Bois also has said he will go there. And over here right now, because he was a learned person, and the government decided to build a library in his honor. And in this library we have two collections of books. We have foreign collection and then Ghanaian collection. Now at the other side is the foreign collection, the Europeans, and over here is the Ghanaian collection, where we have the library. Someone may ask, why does on his birthday, brothers and sisters from the diaspora in Ghana and other people come here to light. This is a perpetual flame, and there is a gas link to the other side. So when they open the gas, and then prayers, and there will be a ceremony here, and then they light it up. Why that? Meaning that Africa, we are still alive. We are still alive. I was talking about the Marcus Garvey Black Star line. You see the Black Star, meaning a star, everybody knows that it's a good thing that leads. A star is something that leads you. So he's still here and he's still leading us as his line. If there's any question, if there are no questions, we can just be around it and then take a When you look at the brochure, last year we took a picture here, and it's in the brochure.
Yeah.
So let's.
And I appreciate it being in the book.
Oh yeah.
In the book.
Exactly.